Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Truth and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club news. Nigel Winterborn will be one of Arsenal icons. Don't come outside the talk say they very surprised. Say they never sack Mikel Arteta, and this one be say because Mikel Arteta don't drafting some kind of players, so maybe the club hierarchy go on make in transform all these players enter into the senior team, make them do very good. And you know, say games like Everton, now they go take the judge Mikel Arteta because when you lose all these kind of games, you go to pile up pressure into the team. So now we say they won't play Southampton, they don't feel afford to lose that one. So he just the hope say Mikel Arteta go play very well. And for him, for your personal opinion, top 6 don't far from Arsenal. Say no even sure so we go end up for top 6. So now share sentiment to Baba the flow for us. We now follow the thing along that line of thoughts. And when I believe say nothing is up, come rain, come sun, top 6, and we get them. How I feel. How much Charlie Watt to be one of our monitoring spirits don't come outside. They let us know say Dominic Calvert-Lewin don't change agent. So this one a sign. Say Baba they look to move. The reason I go they move come on for Everton because this guy don't did there for like 5 years now. You get so. But you know before I would, I never just stayed there for long like that. Then they look for way to move. We never play for Europe before, you know. So they look for how you go they move. And with the relationship we can get with Ramsey because some of them don't play for Sheffield United Academy, but they can enter England under all those 21, 22, 23 setup. Then they get good relationship. So even they really say Ramsey will help us raising the guys and making come join us. So more they watch as things go up because this change of agents when do now big sign because most players when they change agent now because they won't make the agent help them secure a better move. Get scamp around. If you to go meet agents we know many people to help them move. Well, in January now, you know far. At the same time, Charlie Watts going to complain say why Arsenal would they depend on Emile Smith Rowe. Say if Emile Smith Rowe no dey for game, they no get person with the travel with the ball, we will carry ball they run. You get say check out the match against Everton. Say that because Smith Rowe no dey now, say say Baba dey, if it no happen like that, so it no good and it means say Arsenal are supposed to improve. It is a sign that we are supposed to be strengthening our team because for us to depend on somebody will be say 1 year ago they play under 23 football for Arsenal. Just imagine all of a sudden now be our Messiah, now be our Chineke and everything with this we depend on them. If you no play we don't die. If you play well we dey relax. No, it's not right. Like I talked before when I did live, all these kind of people are Benjamin members. They're supposed to do this guy Emile Smith Rowe are supposed to do for Benjamin. They scamp medicine, they learn work for medicine and that's what it's supposed to be. So we depend on Saka, Emile Smith Rowe, they got they don't play with it. Don't say hey Saka did not play well, oh they got I beg you. At the same time, on the more positive news, Aaron Ramsey don't win Arsenal Player of the Month of November. This is that the guy still win October. They can still win November because the fans they very happy with the guy. The way the guy they keep some kind of clean sheets, they pull some kind of magical and miraculous saves. Save say on a good day he had to keep. If they score the guy, any goal with them score, we say now go if say on a good day, normal keeper self no catch him. You get before he go score himself, he go do like this now. And the level with that, we're happy with the guy. Say don't win this November Player of the Month for Arsenal. John Barnes will be one of our pundits. Don't come outside. They talk say if Arsenal won't move forward, they gotta sell people like Lacazette and sell people like Aubameyang. Say it go make sense for them and sell them. Now with the sentiments we all of us they share with that say we're supposed to sell all these people. Tell them they find their square root. Everybody knows say we don't get striker at the moment. So we got strength, but for the meantime, we will manage what we get until January. More no that we will get 1 or 2 people, even if now on loan, but they just come to point help us do some kind of things. Saka will be the academic coach. Don't come outside the talk say he expects flow. That's for Larry Balogun to go out on loan for January because the way the guy they play for under 23, it don't they bigger than that under 23 setup. So he expect say by January. You know, so the guy said they find playing time. You get so Saka they believe say if he go out on loan, maybe go to kind of championship side. I believe say that they go because I don't think say any English Premier League team go want come collect her. So if he go there, he may go play, get more experience, get strengthen himself so that maybe next season then if they draft and small they enter inside the side, who knows. But me go stay there, may play that kind 2 years for championship because next season I don't me even near the first team again. Next season more the Papa senior man, all this kind of small say they give them chance. But we don't give them enough chance now. You get may they stay there, play more championship, may grow well before you could join us. Lily don slap 47 million pounds on top Jonathan David head in case we dey reason say we wan sign am, because we don reason dem say we wan collect this guy because this guy fits the age range wey Mikel Arteta wan dey sign, all this kind 20-something years player, and the guy dey burst net for Lily like mad. And like I tell una before, in with Burak Yilmaz, and then help Lily win league last season. So the guy dey score like mad, and the guy na Canadian professional footballer you get, wey dey play for France for Lille. So the reason say we want the guy, but can we cough out 47 million pounds to buy the guy? The guy is strong, the guy na black man, that guy good gun. So I don't know. Until January shall we go know, but I don't know whether we will sign this kind of guy for January, because I know say any major sign we won't sign if it be signed at the end of the summer, because for January how many big clubs will come give una access to their own players? Say, okay, come and sign our big player. No, I don't think it will happen like that unless that big player waiting for Benjamin for a big club because he be surplus to requirements, because Jonathan David na senior man, na first 11 members for Lille. So she Lille go fit sell that kind of person for January. So I don't think say go fit happen. Maybe now for the summer, go fit sell that kind of person for us. Well, what do you watch? Anything can happen. Who knows? Money they tempts people. The mayor of Florence, waiting for Italian city, the way they call Dario Nodella, don't come outside they beg Vlahovic, say I beg. I just say no one sign new contracts for Florentina. I beg, no do like that and make it sign. Get you can write open letter to Dusan Vlahovic. You can say, dear Dusan, you have to sign a new contract. You have to stay in Florence because it is a beautiful city. But you write plenty things. So they beg the guy. I never know that Vlahovic go listen to the guy because they are a politician now. So you want to make the fans come love and maybe you want to contest for another election. Who knows? Now that scope now. Well, until January, shall we know whether the guy go sign, I mean no go sign, I mean go snub. More the watch. Another controversy what we talk about now, who go play 9 for Arsenal against Southampton will be our next match. And you know say that our next match, we need to win the match like mad, now must win. So who go play 9 for us? Shina Ndiketia, Shina Lacazette, Shina Aubameyang. Now who we go want make him play 9? Who you think say if they give him like 5 chances, he go fit score 1? For these 3 names, so I call because all of them they miss their target. So I never know what you think. Now because for me now, I even dey confused. I'm not even sure that if I dey confused and you dey confused, what Arteta will kind of feel like who like start? If na you be Arteta, now who you go start as your top 9 for these 3? Let me know for the comment section. Arsenal don come outside say dem dey willing to let Pablo Mari go out on loan for January. Make him go join Flamengo because the guy say he wan go back to Flamengo as you know they get playing time for Arsenal. Make no come go rusty, you get no good now. So we dey allow say okay, no yawa na if you go join them on loan. On loan, no be say wan sell you on loan then till the end of the summer. Then maybe they will come back again. We'll see what we go do next season. Maybe next season all those kind of Saliba they go don come back. I never know Mavropanos whether we don sell am this Stuttgart. I be waiting. I don't know. By next summer shall we go know. Then if Saliba don't come back, we sell Pablo Mari. So we just get Saliba and Rob Holding, then Morales and Ben White moving forward. Well, no bad now. Arsenal they interested in signing Gini Wijnaldum from PSG. I know say this guy come up from Liverpool, enter PSG on a free transfer. So now PSG they reason say okay, this guy, you know, he really play. They don't get started, a star-studded team now. So the guy there for Benjamin and the guy they complain say, but I gas play now because World Cup day around the horizon now. I gas go World Cup, and I know if you go World Cup, I know they play now because coaching no go select me. So the reason say okay, we'll allow you go out on loan. We don't want to sell you. But after the reason say they would like to buy the guy, but if they no go fit buy am, at least if you collect am on loan for January because na Sky Sports sef na they only let us know about this issue. Say PSG want make the guy go out on loan. Arsenal dey interested in the guy, so I never know how they go take work am out. Any which way, loan no, sell no, make the guy come for January because the guy get confirmed quality, then a good player. The UK administrator now they advise clubs say make dem dey group players for inside team bus according to your vaccination status. You get those wey don collect vaccination, make dem sit down together. Those wey never collect vaccination, make dem dey one side. You get because they dey try to battle this Omicron. Omicron dey scatter things for UK now. They try to group players because according to wetin make people dey fear, say they see the research this thing. We never know how strong or how potent or how dangerous e be because they talk say even you wey don take vaccine, you no too safe like that o. So that's why they say okay, if you don take vaccine, dey one side. You wey never collect any vaccine at all, dey one side. Then the goalkeepers, make dem dey one side. And they're going to talk another new update. Say if you be player or maybe you be fans who want to enter the team and you never take vaccine, you go to deliver or you go to give them negative report anytime you want to enter. No say I told that before. See, they want to collect vaccine passports for you to enter stadium or enter any place where you get like 10,000 capacity and above. So if you be fan who want to enter, maybe you never take vaccine. Oh yeah, but you got to tender us receipt say you just take COVID-19 test and you dey tender in negative reports. You get the hell you go enter. That's just like 24 hours. And don't forget the big English they call the thing. But now COVID-19 test, we just tender and say okay, you are safe for now. So now what you going to do anytime you want to enter stadium until your head correct, you can't go collect the vaccine. Because some people see the fear. They believe say if you take the vaccine, they put bulb for your hand, bulb go light. All this kind of conspiracy theory, like wow. Omo David Seaman, no be one of our legends, don come outside and talk say see this Southampton match, omo say this match na must win, na do or die. Because if we no win this match, yawa go dey. Now so we are in trouble. That's what Baba put am. So if we don't win this match, we are in big trouble because the pressure will come dey pile up. Now that time go come hear, you know say you never hear Kroenke out. Now only Ateta out to the year now. That time I come hear Kroenke out. Nobody protest like what's going on? Why we losing up and down? What's this up? And we are playing at home in front of our 50 or 60 million capacity crowd. What's this up now? We can't win for here now. You get so now our own opportunity because our home na fortress. Thank God for this season. So this sometimes when they come, they go collect. The guys collect. Sure, they don't get choice. You play like that Everton match. You know say for Everton, they don't get choice but to win. We say we don't get choice but to win. So well, now tomorrow 4 o'clock or so. Well, we'll start to go be. Man, a lot of people they ask of injury updates for Emile Smith Rowe and Martinelli. Well, we'll never get injury update at the moment. Now today we will get confirmed update because I believe say Ateta go do video conference. Then today we will know what they solve. They will give us updates for tomorrow match. So we will know whether they go play and they don't go play because you say that Emile Smith Rowe get injury with tight groin. They make a miss that Everton match. So it still be doubts for that Southampton match, but we never really know how it go solve. Gabriel Martinelli that one a hamstring. We never know for how long. Whether he don't recover, I will never recover. No, now today I will get updates. Then tomorrow I'll call them to announce this. So my dear football lovers, Monaya will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we sell our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And see that bell notification icon with it there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop out. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.